G'day YouTube viewer, g'day bikers. Now I have the Honda GB350 almost run in, I'm taking the DR650 out today and thinking about buying a KLX230 Dual Sport for Riding Hood to learn to ride dirt on later this year, so she can come on some of those adventures with me after she gets confident changing gears on the retro road bike. I remember when I first watched Itchy Boots in India when she was starting out as a YouTube creator on a Royal Enfield Marlium. She was not yet confident off sealed roads. But look at her now, and how she prefers to ride gravel and sand. I suspect Riding Hood may like to get away from busy roads too, even though her fall 18 months ago was on a dirt corner when she hit the front brake at the wrong time. Like the GB350, the KLX230 has ABS and traction control, which will help if she ever needs to do some emergency braking mid-corner again. And if she gets confident on dirt, there are so many adventures we can enjoy together. I'm looking at the KLX230 for two other reasons as well. The first being its weight. It is probably the lightest road-legal dual sport available in Australia right now. The other bike I'm considering is the Suzuki VStrom 250 SX, which is a little heavier but has far greater fuel range because of its larger tank. I've narrowed the shortlist down to those two because for Riding Hood I'd like the dual sport bike to have a lower seat height than my Suzuki DR650, a DRZ400, a Yamaha WR250 or a Honda CRF250 or 300. Both the KLX and VStrom are very capable on the dirt, but the KLX has the slight advantage there, while the VStrom has more horsepower and is better on the open road for riding between trails and dirt tracks. I won't be looking to make this purchase until later in the year when Riding Hood is more confident, but if you know of anything else we should consider, please let me know in the comments below. And if you'd like to see more of our journeys and experiences, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day of riding or viewing motorcycle content on YouTube.